To buy Moody, the Moodify AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now to be able to buy this token is available on the screen as you can see. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, their liquidity is 98% are locked. That means your investment in the safe place. But if you need to buy this token is under Ethereum network. Now click here to copy the token address and go and open your wallet. For this, I will just use the Bitkit wallet. Now here, select the Ethereum as a network and now click on this plus icon here and paste the token address as you can see. Now after that, select the token or click on plus icon to be able to add it to your wallet. Now go back. Now after that, select the token. Now just as you can see, this is it. After that, click on swap and switch it from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Now type here how much you want to buy, but before that, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, as you can see, this is how much you will receive that token. After that, it's simple. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Moody or Moodify AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.